Have you ever felt like your money just isn't stretching as far as it used to? You're not imagining things. There's a silent thief at work, and its name is inflation. It's that sneaky feeling when you look at your grocery bill and wonder how it got so high, or when you save up for a big purchase, only to find the price has jumped by the time you're ready to buy. It's a universal experience, but what exactly is it? Think of it like this. Your money is losing its purchasing power. The dollar in your pocket today will buy you less than it did a year ago. It's like a slow, invisible leak in your financial bucket. A little bit of inflation is actually normal for a healthy, growing economy. Central banks often aim for a small, steady rate of around 2%. This encourages people to spend and invest rather than hoard cash, which keeps the economic engine running smoothly. But what happens when inflation gets out of control? That's when things get tricky. Imagine you have $10,000 saved in a bank account. If inflation is at 7% in just 1 year, the real value of your savings has dropped to what would have been $9,300. You've lost $700 in purchasing power without spending a single cent. It's a wealth-eroding machine that works 24/7. This hits people on fixed incomes like retirees the hardest. Their income stays the same, but the cost of everything from food to healthcare keeps rising. So what causes this? It's a complex mix of factors. Sometimes it's because there's too much money chasing too few goods, what economists call demand-pull inflation. Think about the post-pandemic spending boom. Everyone wanted to buy things, but supply chains were still tangled. When demand outstrips supply, prices naturally go up. On the other hand, you have cost-push inflation. This happens when the cost of producing goods increases. For example, if the price of oil skyrockets, it becomes more expensive to transport goods, and that extra cost gets passed on to you, the consumer, at the checkout counter. Now for the important part. How do you protect yourself? You can't stop inflation, but you can outsmart it. The first rule is to not just let your money sit idle in a low-interest savings account. You're essentially guaranteeing a loss in real value. Instead, you need to make your money work for you through investing. The goal is to earn a return that is higher than the rate of inflation. Historically, assets like stocks have provided returns that outpace inflation over the long term. When you own a piece of a company, you're owning a part of its ability to raise prices and grow its earnings, which helps protect your investment's value. Real estate is another classic hedge. As prices for goods and services rise, so do property values and rental income. There are also specific investments designed to protect against inflation, like Treasury inflation-protected securities or TIPS. Their value increases with inflation, providing a direct safeguard. Of course, all investments carry risk, and it's crucial to do your own research or consult with a financial advisor to create a strategy that fits your personal situation and risk tolerance. The key is to be proactive. Inflation is a powerful force, but it's not unbeatable. By understanding how it works and taking smart steps to protect your wealth, you can ensure that this silent thief doesn't make off with your hard-earned money. You can secure your financial future and keep your dreams on track. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content to help you master your money. See you in the next one.